Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the end of chapter exercise class 9 Ganita Manjari Max chapter Orienting Yourself, the use of coordinates, and we will be discussing the question number 2 in this video. See, the question is, point W has x coordinate equal to -5. Can you predict the coordinates of point H which is on the line through W parallel to the y-axis? Which quadrants can H lie in? So you see, it is said that in the question that the point W has an x coordinate which is equal to -5. So we know that from the origin to the right positive x-axis, to the left negative x-axis, above it positive y-axis, below it negative y-axis. Okay, now you see, the point W has the x coordinate equal to -5. So x coordinate equal to -5 means, see, the negative values on the x-axis will be on this side of the origin, left side of the origin. So the point W has x coordinate equal to -5 means, see, it will be somewhere here. The W can be here, or W can be here, or W can be here, because all these points are having x coordinate -5. Even you can consider the point here or a point here. All these points will be having the same x coordinate -5. Okay, now the point H lies on the line through W parallel to the y-axis. So you see, W is a point whose x coordinate is equal to -5. So W can be here, 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 or here, because all these points are having the x coordinate -5. Now H lies on the line through W. That line is passing through W and parallel to the y-axis. So you see, the line which is passing through all these points and parallel to the y-axis, this line, that is this blue line. Okay, so H can be here, H can be here, H can be here, right? Because you see, since H lies on the line which is passing through W and parallel to the y-axis, the x coordinate of H also will be -5. Okay, because all points on this line which is parallel to the y-axis have the same x coordinate. If you consider this point, its coordinates are actually x coordinate -5, y coordinate 1. If you consider this point, x coordinate -5 and y coordinate 3. Okay, now if we consider this point, its x coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is -2. Okay, so all points on this line which is parallel to the y-axis have the same x coordinate -5. Okay, now thus we can say that the coordinates of the point H, that can be written as -5, y. Okay, where y can be any real number, because you see, -5, 3, here y is 3, -5, 1, here y is 1, this is -5, 2, -2, so here y is -2. So the coordinates of H can be written as in general -5, y, where this y can be any real number. Now one more question is there, which quadrants can H lie in? So depending upon the value of y, you see, if y is greater than 0, that is if y is positive. If y is positive means y values are positive on this quadrant, that is second quadrant. Okay, so if y values are positive, then H, the point H, it can be the point H, this point can be considered as the point H, this point can be considered as the point H, because all these points are lying on this line which is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, so if y value is greater than 0, that is positive, then H lies in the second quadrant. Okay, now if y value is less than 0, that is negative. Here you see, y value is -2. If you consider this point, x coordinate is -5, y coordinate is -1. So if y value is negative, then the point H lies in the third quadrant. Okay, because this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, now if y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0, then the coordinates of the point H will be what? minus 5 comma 0. Minus 5 comma 0 means this point. Okay, so if y is equal to 0, h lies on the negative x-axis. Okay, hence the point h can lie in the second quadrant, third quadrant, or on the negative x-axis. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.